Far too often when I speak with someone who's very frustrated with their current tax advisor and they own real estate, one of the main reasons why they're so frustrated is because their current CPA or tax advisor just does not understand real estate. For example, there are a lot of nuances to just simply owning real estate, and especially when you start going into the tax incentives and the different tax strategies, the nuances get even deeper. For example, one of the most common mistakes I run across when I work with people that own specifically short-term rentals is when I go to review their tax return, their short-term rental is on a Schedule C, and short-term rentals do not go on a Schedule C. They go on a Schedule E. And this is one of the most common mistakes that I see whenever I'm working with someone who's just frustrated with their tax advisor, right? They don't even realize that their tax preparer is putting down the wrong information on their tax return. If they bring a more complex situation, like how to do a 1031 exchange, there are a lot of nuances that these tax advisors are not telling their clients whenever they discuss these. And this is one of the reasons why you need to make sure you work with a tax advisor that specializes in your situation. If that is real estate, find a tax advisor that specializes in real estate.